most recent 7 days, 6.7% last 30 days, plus 430.3% since send-off, plus 2,442.7%. Moving higher, most recent Pepe coin news, May 26th is the Pepe party over. The Pepe force has crashed over the most recent few weeks. This is apparent in the cost, exchanging volumes, and Google search patterns. Be that as it may, when contrasted in Shiba Inu, Pepe actually partakes in an exchanging volume and search volume advantage. It is improbable that Pepe will siphon again as it completed 14 days prior. However, it is additionally impossible that Pepe will fundamentally fail to meet expectations. Other image coins like Doge or SHIB. Bitfinex currently upholds exchanging for $Pepe. The stage is boosts exchange with no charges for market creators and a negligible expense of for-premise focuses for market takers. While there's wide energy on Twitter, worries about potential unpredictability have been voiced. Difference between Pepe, Doge and SHIB. While Doge and SHIB arrived at stunning exchanging volumes surpassing $30 billion at their pinnacles, Pepe just hit a pinnacle of $2 billion. Moreover, huge retail support that moved Doge and SHIB's prosperity is less pervasive in Pepe's market, generally because of the effect of the FTX and Luna crashes. Finally, while Doge and SHIB appreciated broad established press inclusion, Pepe's acknowledgement is essentially inside the limits of crypto-driven media stages. Is it conceivable to recognize other Pepe kinds of tokens? Here is a fascinating investigation by a Twitter powerhouse crypto girl Nova. Tracking whales as a total is less significant than following top-performing whales. Crypto Nova features the utilization of blockchain wayfarers, like Etherscan, and different stages like DeBank DFI and Zerion to examine wallet property and speculation history, empowering financial backers to monitor whale movement and remain informed about market patterns. Another significant knowledge from the string is the whale's portfolio broadening. The baffling financial backer made high-conviction plays in $Pepe as well as in other cryptographic forms of money like $Turbo and $Bobo. Pepe value expectation for the following 6 hours. Pepe cost for the following couple of hours will be in the scope of 0.00000141667 and 0.00000148667. Pepe coin specialized examination. May 26th, Pepe has been exchanging adversely, and the purchasers have neglected to turn around the general energy of the resource. At present, Pepe is exchanging between the 50-day and the 200-day mama. On the 4-hour time span graph, the Pepe coin cost is over the 200-day mama, yet it is exchanging underneath the 200-day moving normal. The 200-day mama is $0, the 50-day mama is $0. The 200-day mama is the steady help for Pepe coin. Be that as it may, on the diagram over, the Pepe coin cost is retesting the 200-day mama from a higher place. Assuming the ongoing energy follows, the Pepe coin cost will probably fall underneath the 200-day mama. By and large, Pepe is negative. The quick help for Pepe is 200-day mama while the opposition is $0. The overall strength record of Pepe adds to the negative energy. The RSI is on a downtrend. At the hour of composing, the RSI is 41.96. The merchants have indeed dwarfed the purchasers. The energy oscillator is swaying inside the negative pivot. The apprehension and insatiability pointer bars are inside the trepidation zone. It proposes the general market opinion is negative. On the MACD graph, the MACD line has now fallen beneath the sign line. The exchanging volume has crashed for Pepe. It is a sell signal. The specialized examination of Pepe proposes a sell feeling. Generally speaking, Pepe value expectation. Is Pepe a wise speculation? Pepe coin is a cryptographic money that intends to resuscitate the idea of image coins. It takes its motivation from the renowned web image character Pepe the Frog and plans to turn into the ruler of image coins. The token was sent off without a presale and without any duties. The designers consumed the liquidity pool and revoked the agreement, making it a coin for individuals. It is driven by mimetic power and tries to give another experience to digital currency lovers. Key elements: it depends on the notable web image character Pepe the Frog, which has a gigantic following and is immediately conspicuous. Pepe coin was sent off subtly, with no presale, 0 charges, LP consumed, and contract revoked. It is a really decentralized and local area-driven project, with no brought-together power controlling its destiny. Pepe coin is based on the Binance Brilliant chain, which gives quick and modest exchanges. The coin is driven by mimetic power, and that implies that its worth can be impacted by online entertainment patterns and other market factors. As examined, the Pepe coin is a blend of local area-driven improvement, unmistakable marking, and mimetic power. Nonetheless, there are various image coins on the lookout, and not all can perform well in the crypto business. The Pepe coin is based on the Binance Savvy chain organization and can be traded on different digital currency trades. Coming up next are the essential use instances of the token. Pepe tokens can be utilized for of installment for labor and products inside the Pepe coin biological system. It is utilized to take part in administration and dynamic cycles for the eventual fate of Pepe coin. Users can procure marking prizes for holding Pepe tokens for a specific timeframe. Pepe coin can be utilized to give liquidity to decentralized trades and procure a portion of the exchanging charges return. Subsequently, to make do and fill on the lookout, the Pepe coin requirements to foster some true utility around the coin. Subsequently, taking into account its interesting highlights and use cases, Pepe coin is an unfortunate case for speculation. Notwithstanding, TT offers exchanging open doors for brief timeframes, yet that will more often than not be extremely high gamble. Pepe value forecast. Will Pepe arrive at 1 penny? To arrive at 1 penny, Pepe should rise 6k times higher. At 1 penny, Pepe's market cap would be $4,012 billion. If Pepe somehow managed to rise 25% consistently, it would take it 40 years to arrive at 1 penny. Absolutely no part of this sounds somewhat possible, especially given that the token is an unfortunate case for speculation. Assuming the token were to consume 90% of the circling tokens, it would in any case be unimaginable for Pepe to arrive at 1 penny. Pepe value expectation. Can Pepe coin reach $1? To reach $1, Pepe should rise 600k times higher. At $1, Pepe's market cap would be $400 trillion. If Pepe somehow happened to rise 25% consistently, it would take it 60 years to reach $1. This is beyond the realm of possibilities and profoundly unreasonable. Pepe value forecast 2023, 2025, and 2030. Pepe value expectation 2023 is $0 per amassed forecast. Dissimilar to contenders like Doge and SHIB, which had stunning exchanging volumes surpassing $30 billion during their pinnacle, Pepe coin just dealt with a pinnacle of $2 billion. In addition, the coin has not seen the degree of retail support or traditional press inclusion that helped Doge and SHIB's prosperity. This image coin basically lives inside the limits of crypto-driven media stages. As an image coin, Pepe doesn't offer a significant number of the customary use cases other cryptographic forms of money may. Nonetheless, it keeps on interesting financial backers drawn by its memorability and its relationship with the Pepe the Frog web image. Pepe value forecast 2025 is $0. Pepe value expectation 2030 is $0. To purchase $Pepe, you should make a wallet, like MetaMask or some other wallet of your decision. Get an ETH in your wallet to change to $Pepe. On the off chance that you have no ETH, you can get it straightforwardly on MetaMask, move from another wallet, or get it on another trade and send it to your wallet. Switch ETH for $Pepe. There are no duties on $Pepe, so you don't have to stress over purchasing with a particular slippage. Be that as it may, you might have to utilize slippage during seasons of market unpredictability. What is Pepe and what is its set of experiences? Pepe the Frog, the web image that arose out of Matt Fury's Kids Club funny cartoon in 2005, has had a fascinating and disputable excursion. At first acquiring ubiquity on 4chan, Pepe's look was utilized to communicate different feelings, with the weepy miserable Pepe turning out to be especially